And, give lang yung best pa rin namin for the Ateneo community.
Thank you for that. We have Ian De Guzman. He put up 25 points, 21 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 services to go alongside 10 excellent digs and 7 excellent receptions. So, itong team na ito, opening day yung nakalaban. Meron bang party na gusto niyong bawian, or are you just looking at this na enjoy lang talaga? How did you view this game in particular?
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Ate Rox na enjoy namin tong game na to. Tapos ilabas lang talaga namin yung kung ano talaga yung laro namin every game. Tapos sunod lang talaga sa sistema ni Coach. Kasi wala namang mawawala sa amin kung ilalabas namin kung ano yung tunay namin laro.
Right, thank you for that. Sige, we wait for Coach. The floor now open for questions to the players.
Sa mga players, ano lang yung nakita yung naging growth ng team mula nung first game na nakalaban niyo yung UE, tas ngayon?
For me, yung chemistry namin, mas naging strong kami as a team. Kasi at first nagkakapaan pa since, di ba, bago din yung system, may ibang factors na emotional, yung mental, ganyan. So, throughout the season naman, na-figure out namin kung paano namin tutulungan yung isa't isa. So, I think yung bond talaga namin, yung sisterhood namin, yung mas tumibay this season.
For me naman, kada game, sobrang nakikita ko may progress talaga. Kasi kahit isa-isa sa amin, nakikita ko may improvement talaga kahit sa training. Nakikita ko din yun. Kasi nadadala din namin kasi siya sa game. Kaya,
siguro nung, ano na lang, I guess yung naging adjustment nyo inside the court, after ng second set. Tinry nyo mapulan yung UE, pero pinapos ko yun. Siguro ano na lang yung ginawa nyo para makuha yung next 2 sets at tapusin siya ng 4 sets na.
Sa second set kasi nakita naman namin na madami pa rin yung magagandang nagagawa namin, which is parang 80 and something na yung score, pero nahabol namin. So sabi naman ni Coach, mag-focus kami sa mga bagay na, alam mo yun, nakaka-dominate kami. And naging positive lang din kami na maganda yung ginagawa namin. So kailangan lang namin mag-focus sa magagandang ginagawa namin and ituloy lang siya.
So, sa akin naman, nakita natin yung second set, medyo marami din kaming error. Pero despite yung mga error namin, nakita namin na hindi pa rin kami nag-give up. Nandun pa rin yung fighting spirit namin na hahabol kami hanggang di mag-25. Tapos ayun, nandun lang yung aggressiveness, intensity namin throughout the...
Alright, so is there anything else to speak? Coach?
Sorry, I understand all these 2 players.
It's okay, Coach, no problem. Just your thoughts on this game with the Final Four in the women's division set. Seems like there's everything to gain for the team. Just your thoughts.
Yeah. Our targets all the time to get a top 4, okay? But now the other teams, it's I think no more chance to stay in the top 4, okay? But we need to fight for the best position. Okay? And this match is so important because you have 10 points and we have 8 points, and now we can open 5 points. And we have some now she need to take her job, but we have other 2 matches, and you need, I think, 1 more 2 points to stay in this position. Okay, and I'm so proud about the team because after our last match, okay, the team returned and play in the high level with intensity, okay, with goal aggressivity, and congrats for AU2 because AU in this last part of the second round they play very well, not with us but the other team too, and this is a good match.
Thank you for that, Coach. Questions also for Coach.
For Coach and the players, despite missing on the Final Four, it's also been a rather successful season for Ateneo in showing its promise as a team. Siguro, would you say that this was also a successful season as well for the team in showing your promise and potential in the future?
Yeah. We have not only one target, okay, not a short target. We have a medium and a long. Okay, this is the program. When Ateneo invite me to work in the program, okay, this is our process. And it's all my career. I use who can play best for the team. No matter if it's the hook or a senior, no matter. And this, one example, today Casey play good, and Pasha can go and play good too. It's important. Pasha did the two very important block in the end of the set, and a very good hit. Okay, and all the time this. Okay, this is a good pressure for the seniors. Okay, because everybody needs to do the best. Okay, and who showed me play more? It's a simple.
For the players, I guess what is your biggest lesson learned or takeaway in your first year under the coaches or these new systems?
Ako, ang natutunan ko talaga magkaroon ng strong mind na kahit na alam ko yung mga dati kong mga skills, pero now, sa system niya, kailangan ko talaga magkaroon ng strong mind. Also, di ba napili ako ni coach na mag-lead ng team. Madami akong natutunan kasi sa kanya, parang hindi lang siya, wala siyang pakialam sa mga skills or anything. Kailangan mo lang talaga i-give yung 100% mo the best, 110% best. Sa training man yun or sa game. So yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya kasi hindi siya bias, but mas more siya na nag-check dun sa kung sino talaga magko-contribute sa team. Kung senior ka man or rookie ka.
For me naman, ang natutunan ko under kay coach, siguro niya, strong mind din. Tapos, nakita din kay coach na wala siyang pakay kung rookie ka man or senior ka man. Basta ginagawa mo yung trabaho mo sa training at ipapakita mo siya sa game, gagamitin ka talaga niya. And yun yung parang naging healthy competition din siya para sa amin na i-push namin yung isa't isa na para umangat.
Alright, last question for Coach. Your remaining games, what do you want to see from your ladies?
Sorry.
Your last two games, what do you want to see from the team?
Yeah, no, I think we did some, I call this a bad mistake. Okay, bad mistake when the ball is not so good, okay, and you need to be smart how to play, how to use, and you build another opportunity to get a point. And our team did a lot of bad mistakes. And I put the serves this time, because serves, for me, it's the first attack. Okay, sometimes our team lose so many serves. Okay, but if you send the easy ball on the other side, you receive a strong attack. Okay, and part of the system, the defense system, it's a serve, block, and defense. If you did an easy serve, how can you work well in the defense if the other team receive a good ball in the center? And our service in this last two match not work so well, and when we get the opportunity, we lost our counterattack. Okay, I think this is the bad balance about for the other. But today, no. Today, our team start to play. Okay, if I have a good opportunity, I can hit strong. I can use this opportunity. If this ball not good, be smart, keep playing, and prepare for the next ball.
All right. We have no more questions. Coach, ladies, thank you and congratulations.